Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, October 11th. Well, we see a market moving on anticipation of positive results coming out of the China-U.S. tariff talks going on in Washington. And it'll be very interesting to see how we finish up on Friday. If they do come out with this mini deal, look for a very strong close in this market. I am on the bullish side. I think they both are motivated to create something. So both sides, it's beneficial to come out with some kind of result, I think, out of this meeting. But let's take a look at the British pound. It took off. They're buying it with both hands. I want to give you an idea of the magnitude change between that bearish and bullish level, $312.50 a contract. I'm looking for unchanged to only slightly higher. I'm not looking for another big move like you see there right now. But let's also take a look at the interest rate markets, and let's look at Treasury bonds. What you're seeing here, I think, is right on target. It fell out of bed. I like this kind of movement. I do look for further movement to the downside. Positive results come out of the trade talks. This could actually have a move almost the size of what we're seeing right now. That's really encouraging to me. But let's move over to metals, and let's take a look at silver. What you can see here is the market traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change there in that market is $1,000 a contract. I'm looking for an inside to only slightly lower move, though, in that market. The action here also makes sense. We talked about that in the advanced video. I think fundamentally what you're seeing there is logical. Nat gas continues to the downside at a critical level. This is where we could start seeing buyers coming back into this market. So the next few cents, I think, are very important for that market. How it behaves will be a big deal for us longer term. And in the grain markets, let's talk about corn. Corn traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $2,400 a contract. I don't look for a big move to the downside on Friday, but I do look for inside to slightly lower for our friend Mr. Corn. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.